Looking to make some extra cash from the comfort of your home? Let's dive into 10 easy online jobs you can start today. First up, freelance writing. If you have a way with words, there are countless websites looking for content creators. Next, consider virtual assistants. Many businesses need help with administrative tasks, and you can do it all remotely. How about online tutoring? If you excel in a subject, share your knowledge and help students succeed. Then there's social media management. Companies are always on the lookout for savvy individuals to boost their online presence. Don't forget about data entry. It's straightforward and requires minimal experience. If you're creative, graphic design could be your calling. Platforms like Canva make it easy to create stunning visuals. Transcription is another option. Listen to audio and type it out. It's flexible and can be done at your own pace. For those with a knack for sales, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products. Finally, consider taking surveys or participating in market research. It's simple and can be done in your spare time. With so many options, there's no reason to wait. Start exploring these opportunities today.